In this video, I'll explain how to install Minima on your Android phone. First, download the Minima APK. If you are part of the Incentive Cash program, you will find the APK after logging into the Incentive Cash website, incentivecash.minima.global. It can also be found on GitHub or in our Discord or Telegram channel. After you've downloaded the APK, it will go into your phone's Downloads folder. You can search for this on your phone. From your Downloads folder, select the APK and click Install. You may have to allow the installation of unknown apps on your device. Once it's finished installing, click Open. Now swipe across to follow the setup instructions. Minima must be allowed to run continuously and unrestricted in the background on your phone to construct and validate the Minima blockchain. Please allow permission here. Swipe across to the Incentive Cash page. If you have an Incentive Cash account, you will need to connect your Incentive Cash account to your node. This will allow you to receive daily rewards for running your node. To learn how to do this, please see the video on how to connect your Incentive Cash account to your node. Swipe across and click Start. Congratulations, setup is complete. You are now running a Minima node from your phone. Swipe across to the Incentive Cash page. To learn how to set up your Incentive Cash account, go to the video on how to connect your Incentive Cash account to your node. Swipe across to the News page. This is where we will share important information and blogs to keep you up to date, so be sure to keep an eye on it. To refresh the News page, from the menu, click Refresh News. Swipe across to the terminal. Here you can type help in the command line. This will show you a list of commands that you can use. To clear the console, go to the Options menu and select Clear Console. You can type any command again to resume using the console. You can also type status to see the status of your node. Here you can find information like your version number and the last block in the blockchain. Please note there are no mini dApps in this version. They are being redeveloped based on community feedback, and we expect the new mini dApp system to be available early 2022. Thank you for running a Minima node and for being part of the testnet. By participating, you are helping to build the most decentralized blockchain for value and information transfer. To get the latest updates and to be involved with the community, join our Discord or Telegram channel. Hope to see you there.